Hello again, kids. Welcome back. Let's continue learning the alphabet. G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
H is for horse.
Horse.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
J is for jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion.
Well done, kids. You learned letters G to L. Next part is coming soon. Bye-bye.